Hello and welcome again to Violet's English. Today I would like to base the lesson on vocabulary and especially vocabulary related to the season that we are in, and also related to holidays, to vacations, because this season is also the season of vacations. Let's see. We will use words, and also we will use expressions and use them in sentences in order to see exactly how they should be used and applied. We will start with some vocabulary related to the temperature, and we can say that the weather is hot. When it is very warm outside, we can say that the weather is hot. When it is very hot, very warm, we can also see that it's baking hot outside. It's baking hot outside. You can see that I used the word baking in order to underline that it is very, very warm. But now I am in the shade, and I would like to mention this word. In the shade, it means that I'm in a place where I don't have a direct light from the sun. So when it's hot, I like to stay in the shade. When it's hot, I like to stay in the shade. There is another word that is very similar to this one, but it's different, and it's the word shadow. Shadow is this trace that is left by the object when direct light comes on it. So I show you the shadows of the trees. I show you the shadows of the trees. Another word related to the summer is the very obvious word sun, which means, of course, the main source of heat for the earth. Today the sun is so bright. Today the sun is so bright. Sunbath means when you stay in the sun in order to color your skin. I can't wait to take a sunbath this summer. I can't wait to take a sunbath this summer. Seaside is a place where there is a resort by the sea, where we go to take a sunbath and also to swim. So I haven't been to the seaside for a long time. I haven't been to the seaside for a long time, but I might go. Resort is like a small town or a place, like a village even, where there are tourist activities, quite developed tourist activities. For instance, this summer I intend to go to a mountain resort. This year, this summer, I intend to go to a mountain resort. If we talk about vacations, we can also talk about luggage. Luggage is a word that we can't use in the plural. It can have a plural meaning, but we can't use it in plural. I have a lot of luggage with me. I don't know how I will carry it. I've got a lot of luggage with me. I don't know how I will carry it. Then suitcase is like a bag, a big bag where you can transport your luggage, your clothes when you go on the summer vacation. For instance, in order to be able to pack all my clothes, I've got a huge suitcase. In order to be able to pack all my clothes, I've got a huge suitcase. On the contrary, bag can mean this little purse that I have here, which can also be called purse, which is like a smaller bag. For instance, I adore my pink bag. I adore my pink bag. What else do we need when we go on vacation? We need to pack our clothes or to fold our clothes and put them in the suitcase. We need to take a bath suit. We need to take a bath suit if it's summer. Even if we go to the mountains, we might find a lake. It's good to have a bath suit in order to take sun bath and to expose ourselves to the sun, because this is healthy and it's good. Then what else can we have in the luggage? We have slippers. We need slippers. We need equipment if we go into mountains and we climb a little bit the mountain. Then we need some equipment in order to do that. We also need shorts, which are some trousers, but not so long trousers. We need even some trousers, because in the evening it can be cool, or in the evening it can be chilly. Okay. We also need some comfortable clothes, some summer clothes, because during the day it's quite warm or it's quite hot, and we need something comfortable. What else do we need to put in our luggage? Let's think. Sunglasses. We need sunglasses as well. We need some bottles of water. We need them even in our trip from where we are or where we live to the resort, to the vacation resort. We need to drink a lot of water. In the summer, we might need food if the living arrangement where we go implies that we have a small kitchen at our disposal in order to be able to cook, so we can get some food that can be preserved without any problems on the trip. We can even have like a freezer which doesn't need a connection to a power source during the transportation for the food that we bring with us. We also need to get tickets if we travel by train or by flight, or sometimes even by ship. We also need to fill the car. To fill the car if we drive and we use our own car for the transportation. We need to book a pension, or we need to book a little room, or we need to book a room at a hotel, depending on the living arrangements that we've got there. And of course we need some days off from our own business if we are business owners, or we need some days off from our employer if we are employed. So these are some absolutely typical words. If you know as many words as I mentioned here as vocabulary related to summer and vacations, you can see that you can quite speak a lot. You can use with them together also some verbs and a few other nouns or pronouns, and the sentence is ready and you can express yourself. So you don't have to think that you need to know plenty of vocabulary in order to be able to speak on a subject or on a matter. You just need to have some essential words, and in time you develop your vocabulary. And with this one, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.